Hey everybody, we're going to do a measured rise offset on this conduit. So I put my name on it. I put this marked it 4 inches from the end. Now I'm going to bend this to about 25 degrees according to that paper that we just got. 25 degrees, that's before this handle is going to be straight up, isn't it? That looks like it's just about exactly 25 degrees. We're going to guess that that's right. So this in here, it doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. Anyone can see. Nothing really matters. Nothing really matters to me. Can I borrow this? So what we're going to do now, to make, how many inches am I supposed to make this offset be?
So then put the conduit on the floor next to your partner and measure the distance. Take away this measurement from 6. So
6 inches? So I'm going to make a 6-inch offset, but the first thing I'm going to do, when I bend this part, you know how we were talking about the multipliers on these? After I made this first bend on there, I'm going to make a measurement to see how far from this regular plane I pulled this when I bent this bend in there, okay? This about 25 degrees. So the very next step that I do is measure how high that mark is. This one here is 5/8 of an inch. That's 5/8 of an inch away from this board, from the straight line, from where it used to be before I bent it. 5/8. Now I'm gonna try and make a 6-inch bend in here. I can measure 6 inches to this and that'll be just nice, but I need to subtract that 5/8 because it's already bent 5/8 away, right? So 6 inches minus 5/8. That's gonna go right there. I'm gonna put my next one right here. Make sure that it goes all the way around. I'm gonna put this at the front of the shoe just like I did the first time. Here, you can have that back. Yabba dabba doo. I want to make sure that I don't put a dog in this. Now if I put this just like this and I go to bend this on the ground, that piece is going to bonk into the ground. I don't want to do that, so I'm going to start this bend by doing it in the air. I'm going to get it on the line. Going to get it lined up so I don't dog it. I'm going to invert this thing. And I'm just going to get it started. I like to hook this with my foot. Get close to this, put my shin on there. If I'm really close to this, it thinks that I'm putting a lot of foot pressure on there. I only have to bend it enough so that that front end doesn't bonk. Then I flip it around. I can either put my level on there, or put my tape measure on there and measure to when this gets to, oh, Jesus. That's what happens when you try to be left-handed. I need to get this aligned again. Hope I don't dog it now. That'd be embarrassing. Mr. Williams, will you put this on the end so that I can look at it? Put it on the ground too. Get it a little bit closer. All right. Perfect. This one's going to be perfect. When I put it on this table, it's going to be 6 inches. It's going to be neither opening nor closing. Don't knock the water out of those sprinklers. Uh-oh. Boom. Okay.